Today we are installing the wiring for this tailgate, as it used to be a panel van. Now the customer already installed the window, motor, wiper and switch for us, so he was ready to get started on the wiring. With the dash apart, we was able to get supply from the fuse box. Then we was able to run the cables along with the original harness. Mike had already done the supplies for the wiper, and he was just getting the interior boot switch to work, so the tailgate will open. The switch is working perfectly, and so is the wiper, and that's it. Another job complete. See you in the next one.